Since the beginning of theater time on Aida Mar, every ensemble that's ever graced that stage has gotten to put their picture up at the end of their contract on this wall. And since it's now the end of our contract, we've now gotten to add our picture. There we are, up in the corner, October 2024 to May 2025. But this is not my first time on Aida Mar. This was actually my first ship ever, and if you check out the wall behind me, you might find someone you recognize. Way back in 2017, there was a little baby Kate on her first contract. And that's something that makes taking another contract on the same ship very special, because not only do I get to watch myself on this wall, but now I also get to be on this wall.